In my review about the previous version of the DriverGenius USB-C card reader and writer, I mentioned that the cable was a little bit too short. So here we have the USB-C connector, and I really wish the cable would be a bit longer. And I received a very positive feedback from the company. And they said, Dirk, we're working on a solution, and as soon as it's done, we'll send you the new card reader for review. And here it is. Hi everyone, this is Dirk. Thanks so much for tuning in. And you guessed it, today we're going to take a look at the new version of the DriverGenius USB-C multi-card reader and writer. If you don't want to see the unboxing, you can skip 1 minute and go directly to the test results. After opening the box, we see a manual, and here is the card reader. And yes, we can definitely see that the cable is longer. Very nice to see that it's not only longer, it is also a braided cable. The card reader has a slot for compact flash cards, for microSD cards and for SD cards. It has a USB-C connector, and again the finishes are really excellent and it's made of metal. Should your laptop or PC not have a USB-C port, you can purchase a USB-C to USB adapter. We're testing the card reader on my USB-C port. You insert SD cards with the pins facing upwards. Once you push it in, a very satisfying clicking sound locks the card in place. Here we are using Crystal Disk Mark to check the speed of this UHS-1 card. And we can see it supports fast speeds. I was very surprised to see that the speeds we received using the way more expensive ProGrade card reader were lower compared to the speeds we got using the DriverGenius card reader. I've made multiple tests, but the results were all the same. And now we're testing a UHS-2 card and we're getting very good speeds. Testing the same card with the ProGrade card reader, we're getting almost identical results. That's pretty impressive, considering that the DriverGenius costs less than a third of the ProGrade card reader, and it has an extra slot for microSD cards. And finally, we're testing a microSD card, and we're comparing the results against the blazing fast Kingston MobileLite microSD card reader. And although this is a dedicated microSD card reader, we're getting almost identical results. To sum it up, the DriverGenius multi-card reader and writer doesn't break the bank and is a very capable device, and therefore it comes highly recommended. So now that you've seen the video, what are your thoughts? Is this a card reader writer that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you like this video, leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And tune in soon again. Bye for now.